So where we are right now is we are going to get my hair cut because I am ready to stop wearing my hair extensions. I'm ready to be more natural. I don't have eyelashes on today. I don't have eyeliner. I don't have anything like that. I did my brows differently today, and I really wanted like a good haircut to go along with this like natural, more me era that I'm entering. I'm also tanning, clearly, if you can't tell. I'm like a little red, but she's glowing. She's getting there. She's getting her tan on. But I'm gonna let her kind of tell me what's gonna look good on me because I don't have a lot of hair. So I don't really know. So yeah, I will show you guys the haircut when I'm done. I need a little life. I kind of want to go shorter. I don't know. I'm kind of just like, whatever you want to do, girl. Whatever you want to do. Feel free. I just want to be me and have less maintenance. That's all I want. So that's what we're gonna do. Still dealing with a few breakouts. Mandelic acid, you guys. Oh my god, I got the Paula's Choice. I will be repurchasing. I got the tiny one. I will be repurchasing the giant bottle. Oh my god. Excuse me? I feel so good. Are you joking right now? Dude, Amber Sky Hair. She works in Orange, literally like so close to where I used to live. I love Orange. Like when I used to live in Anaheim and stuff. Oh my god, she's in the orange circle. I'm speechless. The only thing is, I don't think I'll be able to get it to look this good without her like blowing it out and doing all the things. So I need to go get rollers, and I need to go get 1 inch like barrel thingy, whatever. This is insane. Amber Sky Hair. Amazing, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, and she also does amazing, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous looks. Wow. Ah! My new hair. She's about to go to the puppy party. We're taking her to her hotel before Vegas, and I couldn't stop crying. I love you, Missy May. They took all the machines out. We're at the Rio to pick up our ticket and our shuttle passes from the guy who's selling it to us. Tickets and shuttle passes have been acquired. We got early check-in. I'm so stoked right now. We were supposed to be in by 3 and we were in by 11:30, I don't know. But the view is pretty nice. This is the Palms Casino Hotel. This isn't Palms Place. We stayed at Palms Place before, but it's really nice. It's really cute, and the bathroom is like extra nice. I'm kind of already like setting stuff up. I have my hair stuff right here. We're unpacking, and then I have all the bathroom stuff. We have clothes, makeup, antibacterial soap, and then all of my toiletries right here. I feel like this is just easy grab and go. You know the vibes. This bathroom is so nice. Look at this. Very, very nice. Very big walk-in shower. One of my besties, Emily, got me this when I was her bridesmaid in her wedding, and I take it everywhere. It's definitely like a knockoff Stanley, but it's the best thing ever. And this is like our little water cup for the weekend. So 10/10 recommend one of these.
What the fuck we doing, y'all?
So yeah, that was my last minute little full send to EDC Las Vegas. It was seriously a blast, you guys. And I decided last minute to wear this comfy outfit, and it was the best decision of my life. I already had bought the shirt for EDC a long time ago, but I was going to wear it with like a mini skirt and platforms and, you know, do my usual like rave fashion girly fit. But I switched last minute to the pants and the Vans, and it was the best decision I've ever made. And I ended up making this like swipe of Instagrams, and I was like, this isn't like something I would normally post. These are very like candid and like, but I created this whole vision when I was done with the rave, and I felt so creative. And it was just like so cool. I just like loved my Instagram post, but it's not like a usual post. It's very like relaxed and chill. And I feel like that's just kind of the era I'm in right now. I'm in my relaxed and chill era. Like I am soon going to be a 30 plus raver. I'm 29 right now. So, yep, come for me if you want. But I think you're allowed to rave as long as you want. It is something I enjoy. It's something I love so much wholeheartedly. I will keep doing it for as long as I can. Now I'm realizing I want comfort. I don't always want to be in uncomfortable clothes, shoes, and all of that when I'm at a rave. So we got our room at the Palms comped. We got 2 free nights from Sunday, May 18th to Tuesday the 20th. We had that free because we gamble with the Palms and we're very like loyal to the Palms. So we have like a loyalty card or whatever it is. So we got those nights for free. We only had to pay a total of under $100, I think, for like resort fees and things like that. And then we gambled a little bit. We did end up losing our money. Last year, we were up on our money when we went to EDC. We doubled our money. It was really exciting. This year, we lost everything, but we only had a small bankroll. We had about $125 this year to gamble with. That was just like extra free money, and we did end up losing it. Would I have loved to win money? Absolutely, but you know, you can't be a winner every time, I guess. So with saving a little money on our EDC trip, we obviously, as you saw, had to drive up in the middle of the night. We left our house at 12 o'clock midnight to drive to Vegas from Orange County. Sebastian, my husband, had to have an energy drink. I think multiple. He had to pull off on the side of the road at one point to go pee because he was drinking so many energy drinks, and you're in the middle of the desert when you're driving to Vegas from California. So, and I remember just being asleep and then waking up to being on the side of the road. It was honestly crazy. It was a mission to get there, but we would do anything for EDC and to make sure we were there for at least one day. And then, in the morning, obviously check-in on a regular day is usually 3 p.m., right? So we kept checking back if they had early check-in, and they were like, you have to wait till 11, you have to wait till, or I think it was around 10 or something that we were supposed to wait till. And so we were just sleeping in the car, we were gambling, we had a little coffee, and we were just really like struggling. And this was Sunday of EDC, and we're just trying to stay awake. We're trying to make it to get into the room, you know, because technically they could have let us in at 3, but they did let us in around 11:30, I believe, in the morning. So that was really nice. And we got early check-in. It was amazing because if they were out of beds, like they were out of rooms at that time, we would have had to wait in the car till 3 p.m. We were prepared for this mission, you guys. You guys don't understand. We would have done anything to see Of the Trees and Liquid Stranger and Lay Youth at our favorite place in the world, EDC. So it was a freaking day, but it it was truly like one of the most fun experiences and vacations I've like ever had. All in all, we had such a good time. We really enjoyed the Palms. We enjoyed EDC so much. We were just running around all night, going from set to set. It was amazing. We already have our tickets for 2026, so we are definitely looking forward to 2026. I am so excited. One day is just not enough for EDC. One day is just not enough. Shout out to the guy that gave us his tickets and shuttle passes and sold them to us. They were amazing for doing that for us. And yeah, it was an awesome experience. I'm literally so excited for next year, and we might even try hotel EDC. So check out my channel in the future. I will be doing more rave vlogs. I don't know what I'm going to for the rest of the year, but I can tell you I'll be at EDC next year. Okay? Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.